Hey there, coding champions! Welcome back to I'm your guide through the dynamic world of web development. Today we're diving into the core of user interaction HTML forms. Stick around and let's build bridges between your users and your website with engaging forms. HTML forms are not just about input fields, they're the gateway to user engagement. In this video, we'll explore the essentials of forms, from creation to handling submissions and beyond. The foundation of forms lies in input fields. Use various input types to gather different types of information. Go beyond text inputs. Use select menus for drop-down options and checkboxes for multiple-choice questions. Forms come to life when you handle submissions. Use server-side scripts or JavaScript to process user input. And there you have it, a deep dive into HTML forms. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more web development insights. Share in the comments your favorite form building tip or suggest a topic for the next coding adventure. Until then, happy coding, everyone!